Selling food through Amazon. Every business owner wants their company to grow. The internet makes it easier to sell products to people all around the world. If your business deals with food, you may be wondering if it's possible to sell your food through Amazon. Selling food through Amazon's grocery and gourmet food section. The great thing about Amazon is that you can sell any kind of food. Amazon has a section for grocery and gourmet food, which allows you to sell your food products to customers all around the world. Most small and large food companies use Amazon to promote their products and expand their reach. The biggest advantage to selling your food products on Amazon is the option to use Amazon's marketing and promotional tools at a much less expensive rate than you see in traditional advertising and marketing. Amazon provides both shipping and fulfillment services, which means selling food through Amazon's FBA service helps entrepreneurs and small businesses to reach out to customers who really want your product but cannot access them locally. Working with Amazon doesn't come with a lot of risks, but people are under the impression that they need to lower their prices to sell successfully on the site. People also think they must have a certain inventory level to be successful. This is also a fallacy. Amazon is not the same as a physical grocery store. You don't have to worry about restocking the shelves. You do have out of stock and shortage options in the Amazon system. What to know about selling food through Amazon. When selling food through Fulfilment by Amazon, the website staff will take care of everything to ensure your food product reaches the customers in the best quality possible. They'll take care of customer support, communications, and refunds. This allows you to increase your sales 3 times faster than previously. Amazon will subtract the fees in the FBA, but the products sell quicker than you had before. Therefore, the fees FBA deducts are offset by the prices of your delivery goods. You save yourself a lot of time to do other tasks because the FBA program will take care of all the products you need to ship out. Is it possible to sell frozen food through Amazon? Amazon does allow sellers to offer frozen food as well. When buyers are looking for a particular frozen product, you can make it easy for them to buy from you. Amazon is a wonderful platform to sell frozen products and earn more money than you would in a traditional setting. If you operate a small grocery store and want to expand your reach beyond the local market, Amazon makes the option worthwhile. You can take advantage of the free 1-month subscription to sell your frozen foods online.